the net result of doing that mainspring mod is that this thing has got a lot of zip to it now. It did not have that positive actuation before, and it's great. You cannot load a Kennedy without the lever being all the way open. And okay, so the malfunction we had when we did this the first time, there's a finger hanging down off the bottom of that carrier, and when the carrier is all the way up, that finger has to still stop this cartridge from coming to the rear out of the magazine tube. And it wasn't doing that. So now we've got it so that it suspends that in place. And I don't even know what this thing holds, but I'm not going to load it all the way up. I don't think we have to in order to be able to demonstrate. So the cartridge goes in sideways, and it's held in place by the cartridge door here. And when you pop it out, pop down, you could hear the cartridge come to the rear, pop up, and feed. Now, I was about to shoot that without my hearing protection on, and that would have been stupid on multiple levels. We're getting into pipe organ tuning season in Charleston, and I need my ears to work. So, ejection, feed. Empty. Not bad. And I got to tell you, I'm happy, but you heard those little pipsqueaky rounds go off. A couple of years later, with the bolt shut, wrong pocket. Is that a 4570 in your pocket, or are you just happy to shoot me? 4570, this, let me make sure, there we go. Now that is what I'm talking about.